Retest Assessment 4-3, Volume TEK 7.9a. Directions. Read each question carefully, identify the key words, and be sure to answer the question. Justify your answer. Question 1. A pencil holder shaped like a triangular prism is shown in the picture. The height of the pencil holder is 15 centimeters, and the volume of the pencil holder is 285 cubic centimeters. What is the area of the base of the pencil holder in square centimeters? Question number 2. The dimensions of the triangular prism are shown in the diagram. What is the volume of the triangular prism in cubic centimeters? A. 90 cubic centimeters, B. 150 cubic centimeters, C. 180 cubic centimeters, or D. 300 cubic centimeters. Question number 3. A storage container is shaped like a rectangular prism. The volume of the container is 1,360 cubic feet. The area of the base of the container is 160 square feet. What is the height of the container in feet? A. 17 feet, B. 34 feet, C. 8.5 feet, or D. Not here. The dimensions of the Question 4. The dimensions of the rectangular prism are shown in the diagram. Please mark your answer in the griddable. Make sure you have the appropriate decimal in the right spot. Question number 5. The dimensions of the square pyramid are shown in the diagram. What is the volume of the pyramid? A. 288 cubic inches, B. 96 cubic inches, C. 48 cubic inches, or D. 16 cubic inches. Question number 6. The dimensions of the square pyramid are shown in the diagram below. What is the volume of the pyramid? Mark your answer in the griddable. Question number 7. What is the volume of the triangular pyramid shown below? A. 512 cubic units, B. 1,536 cubic units, C. 768 cubic units, or D. 256 cubic units. Question number 8. What is the volume of the triangular prism shown below? A. 143 cubic centimeters, B. 312 cubic centimeters, C. 156 cubic centimeters, or D. Not here. That's the end of the test. Be sure to check your work. Go back and double check anything you need to change. Make sure your decimal's in the right spot, and make sure you use the correct formula. Good luck.